Hello YouTube. It is Berbazooka. What is dangerous for children snoring? According to the study, the results of which are published in the scientific journal Real Clear Science, snoring is directly related to progressive obesity. According to scientists, overweight is closely related to the syndrome of obstructive sleep apnea, OSAS. This is a disorder that is accompanied most often by very loud snoring. The syndrome can lead to the appearance of excess weight, as well as the associated diseases, such as diabetes and cardiovascular problems. The experiment was conducted over 1,100 children. In the process of observation from infancy to adolescence, a correlation was found between snoring and body weight. The development of one of the deviations leads to the aggravation of the second. The head of the research team Christos S. Mankrias said that overweight and snoring in children create a vicious metabolic cycle. In addition, the study showed that children with OSAS are more likely to experience behavioral problems at an early age. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.